Philippines desserts. Saw a comment that suggested that we look at some Filipino desserts. So here we are, top 20 desserts in the Philippines. Desserts are just the greatest thing to ever exist.
I like sweet stuff.
Like, we found a place in Iceland where we're going to be in 2 weeks that is a dessert buffet. So we're like, oh, okay.
Yes,
Dessert
that's what we're going to go
buffet.
after we eat the dinner.
Yes, and then we're going to be so sick after.
Yes, true.
Because I'm just going to be like, oh, it's so good, and just keep eating it. That's what I do at buffets, and then I feel really horrible. So I need a Filipino dessert buffet maybe after this video.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's find out what type of desserts you guys have in the Philippines right here, right now. Subscribe if you enjoy. Like the video if you enjoy. Let's do this. They got a long intro. Hello.
Yes, hello.
It's so much stuff in there. Are those beans?
Grapes? They look small for grapes,
They
though.
do look small. Oh, there's so much stuff. This looks like creme brulee type of thing right here. And then it looks like sherbet. And like candy. There's a lot going on there. But you have to mix it. That's what we've been told. Puko salad.
Whoa, is that like a fruit salad thing?
Yeah, it kind of looks like that one that our grandma makes. But with like candy in it. Music's so happy. Yumma.
Oh, what is that?
I wish they showed like multiple pictures of it, like what's on the inside.
Yeah, and like what is it?
They look good. I don't know what I'm imagining it being like a caramel ball with like cream inside or
I just
something.
imagine it being a donut hole. Oh, is that the...
Looks like a burrito.
Is that salt on it?
Looks like it. Could be like, oh, I know what that is. Flan. Have you ever had flan?
Mm-mm.
It's interesting. It's like jelly or gelatin, but it's like caramel flavored.
Oh.
Kind of interesting. Tahoe. We need some descriptions.
Looks good though, maybe.
Yeah, what is it? Syrup?
Cream?
That looks.
Oh.
Why is that one called a mango float? The other one looked like a mango. Maybe it floats on water.
Yeah.
Just looks like mango cake. I'd eat that all day.
Yeah, with some mangoes on top, mangoes in the middle, mangoes on the bottom.
Maja
Oh.
Blanca.
Like a cheesecake with like
That looks good.
something.
I just want to taste all of these. This is all just based on eyeballs right now. Like what looks. Usually, if something looks good, it tastes at least pretty
Yeah.
good. Pico.
Oh.
What is that?
It looks like a brownie, like a beef brownie.
It
almost.
does.
But I'm sure it's something sweet.
Is that
Oh.
coconut?
It might be.
I don't like coconut.
I don't know if I've ever
coconut.
had any like coconut cake or anything.
The coconut nut. Mmm.
Oh. Like
Looks like a fruit, some sort of like fruit cake.
fruit Twinkie thing.
Ooh, fruit Twinkie. Is it a cookie?
Yeah.
Purple cookie?
Cookie sponge.
What if you bit into it? It's just like a salt block.
I need some water after that. Oh.
Cheesy?
I thought it was like cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Oh.
Whoa, that was
I
good.
feel like I've had some. In Iceland, they have stuff like that. You remember those? Did we get those? Like those little rolls that were like sliced?
No,
I didn't get
no.
those with you then. They look exactly like this.
Oh.
What is that green stuff? That was in something else. Pilo. What is that?
I don't know. You literally can't see anything. It's just like a
No.
soup, but there's just like yellow things.
We're basically just learning names of foods to look up. What the? Puto. The music's happy though.
I mean, those look good.
Ooh. See, I just don't know what that is.
Looks like cinnamon apple.
What is that on
thingies.
top of it? Ooh.
Ube.
Ube. Ube looks kind of like a processed meat.
Yeah, like spam.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a freezy.
Oh yeah.
They look thick though.
Yeah, they just that hurt my teeth.
Please subscribe. This looks good too. Looks like it'd be like a cheesecake crust with like cream on it.
Yeah, that does look really good. Just scoop up some of the crust and whipped cream, some
Cheesecake
strawberry.
crust is so good. All right, we got some names and some pictures of some desserts.
Looked good.
It did look good. Does it taste good? I don't know. We have to find out. I wish they would have like went into detail a little bit and then like this and then like put like a little description.
Yeah, like what it is.
Yeah.
Just anything about it.
There's literally just like a picture of a ball, a picture of a cookie, a picture of a.
I guess you guys can let us know if like one of them that you really like was on there. Let us know what it was.
Yeah, definitely. Because some of these I just wanted to pop in my mouth and eat immediately. But then if it's something that I didn't know what it actually was and I didn't like, I'd be like, ah! And probably die.
That would suck.
Yeah.
You scream and then it goes down your throat and then it gets lodged in there.
Exactly. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Just watching food videos makes me excited for food, and it makes me want to eat it. If you enjoyed, subscribe, like the video, let us know what else you want to see from the Philippines in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.